Alright guys, here we go. Round 2 of taking the boat out. Hopefully it doesn't die or blow up like the first time. I think I got all the kinks worked out. We'll see how this goes. Getting it ready to go. Taking the strops off. Leave the drives where they are. Plugs in. Alright, let's hope this goes better than the first time. Well guys, how we fired the boat up. It's running. Starts right up now. No more problems. Except this port engine still tries to stall sometimes, like it's doing now. There it goes. It stalled like it does. Something is wrong with the idle circuit, so that specific engine won't idle, but everything else is okay. Got it running. They're inline 4 cylinders. They're 3.7 liters. Yep. And they use Ford 460 internals. So it's got like 460 pistons on a tractor crankshaft. It's really weird, but they make good torque. Just ironing out the issues, like this one freaking doesn't want to run. Thank you. This one has no oil pressure on the gauge. Starboard. Yeah. The needle's not even there. Yep. Well, I hope it was actually making oil pressure and the gauge is just messed up. Guess we'll find out here in a minute after we let this fella launch. Kick it off. Kick it off. Kick it off.
It's on fucking rubber, Jacob. Come on.
It's wood. There's no rubber there.
No, I'm looking at it. It's not rubber.
Alright guys, well I guess we'll get back to you when we're back in the boat.
Over the idle. Do I need to press down?
You need to do it, but I don't know what I can do here. There's rocks.
That's floating. That's not a rock, is it? That's floating.
Yeah, lower the idle so I can put in gear.
Yeah.
Are the drives down? Did you put them all the way down?
No, I did not put them down.
You want me to start the other engine?
Huh?
You want me to start the other engine?
Yeah.
I can't when it's freaking moving.
What do you mean?
I gotta put this one back in neutral.
They should be totally separate.
It isn't.
Put it in gear and get it going. Go.
I do not think it's in gear.
Not in gear?
No. Something's wrong with that one. We're going. Not well, but we're going. I don't know how well this is gonna go, but we'll see.
Take it up to about $3 grand.
Let's get on plane. 4 miles per hour. Yep, she dying.
It's just freaking idle.
Should I let it die and come in on one engine?
Bring it into neutral, shut it off. Going on one engine. It's probably not even a neutral either. I had to pull that thing hard. It's okay though.
That oil is nice and thin. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get it out of gear. We got 25 pounds of oil pressure and 160 degrees.
Works for me.
All right, guys, we did a successful outing. I guess let's get this bitch back on the trailer and take it home for the river run next weekend in St. John's. See if we can blow it up there. We'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And check out the El Camino content. I got a drag car that likes to brake a lot. Check that out. Nobody watches that. I know y'all like the boat, but come on, I got a broke-ass car. All right, I'll see y'all later.